Welcome back, guys. Mr. Goat here. Today I'm playing a game called Airplane. It is going to be probably a little bit scary because in the picture I saw a lot of people. Make sure you smash the like button down and subscribe, and I'll see you guys are whatever you get right. So looks like we're in our room. We have a lot of people, and look, we're all passengers. Don't know if that means anything. Maybe like a murder mystery or something. But it says it's supposed to be scary. Oh, if we're all passengers, that means we're working. Okay, we have B7. What does this mean? Oh, that's cool. B7. See, here's my C. Ooh. Oh, we got the luggage package up here as well. That's cool. It's crisp. And there actually is 4 parts, but I'm only going to be doing part 1 and part 3. Maybe the other one. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Whatever. We are currently flying at an altitude 300 feet above the sea level. Okay. Weather looks good, and it means that we will arrive. No time for this mission. Okay. Feel free to explore the plane. Okay. Use the restrooms. I'm not going to. Here's first. What is this place? Right? Can I join a student? This is like a. Wait. Maybe I can't. No, I can't. This is only 4 numbers. I wish I could. I'm just gonna go back and sit in my seat. Hopefully nothing happens. Now, please find your seat. Your seat. As about to cross the area of high turbulence. So we have 10 seconds to find this. I'm just gonna sit down. I'm not taking any chances. I believe if I don't get in there in time, I die. Oh, lady! You fell. So you weren't sitting in your seat like the captain said. Thank you for your cooperation. Well, she wasn't doing any cooperation. I'm hungry, probably. Okay, let's not open my luggage. Your crew prepares for a snack rabbit. Ooh, snacks! Ooh, yummy in my tummy. Hello, everyone. Crew member, we're delivering this delicious sandwich. Enjoy. Sandwich. Can I eat? I ate it. Okay. Everyone eat theirs? I ate mine. I'm almost hungry. Can I eat more sandwiches? I'm hungry for more. Give me more sandwiches! Okay. Enjoy! What's Haiti? I'm not feeling very well. What? Were they poisonous and I ate it? What sandwich has mayo? Who's allergic to mayo, first of all? Oh, now we can open the finest. Guys, what? Who is allergic to mayo? I don't get that. That's mine. Is this yours, man? I don't know. Who is allergic to mayo? I'm just asking. Like, I don't know. Found it. Ah, no, we must not worry. Ooh, that was a close one. Like, come on, man. Don't scare us like that. Phew. Good afternoon to all passengers. I'm informed we have reached a stable entombment. I would be a good time to sit and back and take a nap. Yeah, I want to take a nap. It's gonna go on. Hasn't been in scary yet. I don't know if it is going to be. What? Stand my seat. Okay. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. sub few hours ago. Can you tell us next thing? Whoa! Is the plane gonna crash? I think it is. Appears that we have lost engineering. I'm gonna try to fix it. They're not gonna help any of us. Guys, look. What is outside that right wing? What the? His name is question mark. You will not survive. Okay. Are those? What? Snakes? Wait, what? Wait, why are there snakes? What are we supposed to do? They're everywhere. They took damage. He's right there. He's stuck. Are those snakes? Yeah. What do you think? They cannot go on seats. We're safe. Guys, there's an open restaurant. Hopefully we'll be safe in there. Dodge! We're in the restroom, guys. Let's go. Why would we go in? Like, why would there be snakes? How did the snakes even get on the plane? And why was there a man, like, standing on the restroom? That's really weird. Okay. That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Okay, are you gonna tell us the next thing? Or is it over? No. I don't think so. I don't know what that guy was when he was there. Ooh, now we're like, was that a dream? Make sure to smash the like button down below and subscribe. Oh, I should have fun. Power's back up, yeah. So we have lights now. I'm gonna feel so bad myself. Those snakes are gone, yeah. It's playing like, okay, here it is. Creepy. Your attention, passengers. Good news and bad news. What? The good news is that the power is back on. What's the bad news? Tell us the bad news. Bad news is that we're losing. Oh, why would you tell me that before? Give me an maximum gun. Okay. Woo! I'm good. Okay, thanks, Captain. You could have told us the bad news first. Someone just died. Man. Now I'm gonna have this on the whole time. Of course, right after this. What's gonna happen now? Okay, oh my god, what is this? There's a bomb in that lady! I know, wait. Scissors? Maybe? No, where? Are they like drawers? How do you cut? Yeah, scissors. Do you think, lady? Wait, can I go in here? I found the pair. Was that lady gonna be like blowing up or something? Because she had like a bomb. Which cable should I cut? Green! Green! I will cut the. No! man. Oh, I thought it was. Wouldn't it be the green one, or was it blue and green? Maybe there was not. It wasn't a green one. Okay, I don't know. Ooh, passengers. Yeah, I've heard. I found they are crew. We need a. What? What are you talking about, man? Is someone behind this? Someone click on me? What? Oh no, something's happened inside. Captain might be in trouble. Go open the captain door then. Don't just stand there. You're not helping. Captain. Lock the door. No wonder he doesn't want us to get in. Come on. Get cracked as well, man. You're gonna die now. Hurry up. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Nope. Poor captain, he's just gonna have to go. I don't know what to do. Am I supposed to look in something? I found the the code. I saw that was a day. 877 something. I saw that. Now what? Hey, scissors. Go in the passenger! Where's the key? Oh my, he's right here. Where's the captain? Did he die? You will pay for what you've done. Cool, man, come on. Get crap. You think you're a hero on accident, but you're not. I brought you here. All of you, not me. I just got a roadblock, okay? That is not possible. Yeah, it's not possible. I already stole you. Captain? What are you doing? My head is staring at us. Time to die. No, man. See you in the afterlife. Okay. Yeah. Why is there green or red gate? Let me in! I'll find a seat. The captain is unconscious. Cool. Now what? The plane is falling. I don't know what button it is. There's like 50 green buttons. We need to find a button. No button. There's like 1 million. Like every. Well, this sounds fun. I'm in. Are we supposed to click everyone? Everything? What if the board's like self-destruct or something? It's so overreactive. I found the button. Yeah, no joke, man. We did it! Yeah, I mostly did it. Okay. We saved the plane. Is this it? Did I win? Well, did we win? This was a crazy flight. Yeah, I think we won. I always wanted to be home. Yeah, everyone does, man. Okay. A lot of you guys watch the videos don't actually subscribe, so make sure to smash my phone and subscribe. The emergency phone. We're gonna call for help. Yes. I'm gonna go back in this. Hello, don't worry. Because you're home in no time. Okay? Yes. We are okay. don't want to go. Let me through. Why is it buried? We have traced your location. You're taking control. Yeah. There's one last task I have for you. What? You have to keep the plane on track. What does that mean? Like, clean up everything? Find somewhere to sit on the co-pilot seat at the captain. I don't really get what we have to do here. So go sit on the seat of the co-pilot. Okay. Now what? Would I get to drive the plane? Woo! Okay, everyone, I got this. I do got this. Is everyone's gonna run? The guy's back. I knew it. What am I supposed to do? Where? Oh my! Just stole the red eyes. Mahaha! You humans are funny. Okay. Oh wait, that's you. Your destiny has already been written. That's it. Lady said we would take control of the plane. Last chance. Jeez, kids. That's me. That's me. Crash this plane and we will rule on the world for the entity. Will you crash the plane? No. I'm saving everyone. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. I came here for a reason. You humans are so weak. Then, come on. This is not the last time you'll see me. It's gone. Wait, he said it's the last night time. What did he mean? I don't know, guys. What do you think he did mean? Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for part 2. Airplane 2, Airplane 3, and Airplane 4. See you guys next time. Peace!